You don't actually need any coding knowledge to start an AI business. If you don't believe me, listen to him.
To start a company, you do not require anything about related to coding. You can simply go ahead, manage the project, get the projects, understand how it is getting delivered, just understand the operations part of it, which anyone from any background can do it.
Being a non-techie when you start AI business, there are certain areas that you need to focus on. Mainly focus on the marketing, the sales, and the customer relation that you're going to have with your business. This is where your forte should be. And let the technicals be taken care of people who actually know about it. Now, what you can do is research about the AI trends that is required for your business. That should be the healthcare industry, the food industry, or whatever it is. You do your research, understand where you can sell your AI services to. Once you have a good understanding of that, then it's mostly about how to acquire these clients, what is going to gain the attention of these clients, and you work on that. Now, for project undertaking, partner up with AI companies that already has the infrastructure. So the next step would be to research and find out which can be a very effective collaboration for you in terms of money, in terms of your long-term sustainability of the company. Now, while researching about the AI trends, look into what niche you want to focus. For example, if you've picked out an industry, look into how your services can help that industry's business grow, because that's what they want to hear. Because this research is what is actually going to help you with your business plan, your revenue model, and your target audience. And for someone coming from a non-IT background, it's best that you get into AI services and not products. While choosing your tech partner with another AI company, you need to make sure that they have all the manpower and resources to support the services that you're selling to your client base. For example, here at Boost My Sites, we're supporting 100 plus AI company owners, regardless of their background, to be delivering the services to their client base. So like I told you earlier, please focus on marketing, branding, and growing your business. Make sure your business is being established and use the initial months only for that, and the money shall pour in once this is done effectively.